Hi everyone, this is the weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Friday, July 7th. Coming up throughout the briefing this morning, we'll be talking about yet another chance for some more showers and storms today, and that continues tomorrow. In fact, the next 2 days here will be basically a carbon copy of yesterday, but some of those showers and storms will gradually be increasing in coverage, so things will be a little bit more closer to scattered showers and storms as we get into Saturday afternoon and evening, but still doesn't mean everyone is going to see rain or storms each afternoon. We will be drying out as we get into Sunday, and as we dry out, we'll be heating up. So we stay hot, dry, and breezy as we get into the better part of next week. So for today and tomorrow, again, we have a slight chance for showers and storms across most of the area. Reminder, not everyone will see a shower or storm, but some of those that pass overhead could produce some gusty winds or even some small hail. Wind gusts probably closer to about 35 to 45 miles per hour. As we get into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, not a whole lot here on our weather risk outlook grid, aside from some potentially impactful heat as we get into Monday. Models are trying to show a bit of a shortwave trough coming through on Monday. We'll have to be watching the timing of that, as depending on how early it comes through during the day, that could undercut our chance to get hotter as we get into the afternoon. So we'll see how that continues to trend over the next couple of days here. Satellite this morning showing not a whole lot through most of Idaho. A few clouds out there farther west and north that you go, or farther south once again into parts of northern Utah. A couple of showers hanging around out there. As far as our afternoon highs today, again, almost a carbon copy of yesterday, so most of us are back in those mid to upper 80s, pushing close to that 90-degree mark. Wouldn't be too surprised if a few of us are able to make it over the 90-degree mark. Wind gusts generally 15 to about 20 miles per hour, with some isolated gusts up to about 25 miles per hour. Again, that's not including the strong winds that you could see with some of those storms, closer to about 35 to 45 mile per hour gusts with those storms. Not all of them, but a few of those, especially through parts of the southern hills, and then once again up into the northeastern corner there near the Island Park area. In fact, here we'll let the model reflectivity here run through a couple times on this loop to give you an idea of where we could see some of those showers and storms pop up as we go through this afternoon and this evening. There you see a couple of those trying to get going, maybe on the stronger side, down again in parts of the southern hills, closer to the Twin Falls Burley area. But again, watching for any development up closer to the Island Park area too. Can't completely rule out, though, one of those showers or storms trying to make its way through parts of the Snake Plain as we get into later this evening. So again, there's a chance for everybody, but not everyone is going to actually see something today or even tomorrow. Afternoon highs tomorrow start warming up a couple degrees, with more of us pushing closer to 90 degrees or even just slightly above that. Wind gusts on Saturday, very similar to today, but might start to pick up a little bit more, and that closer to 20-25 miles per hour. By the time we get to Sunday, we will be drier, but overall see our temperatures warm, with more of us into the low and mid 90s for afternoon highs. And then we go up another couple degrees as we get into Monday afternoon, with more of us reaching the 90s. And then Tuesday, that ridge that's going to build in Sunday and Monday will start to get flattened a little bit as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. So that will allow our temperatures to drop a couple of degrees, but it is still going to be plenty hot, really through most of next week. So we will see a chance for some showers and storms both today and tomorrow. Basically a carbon copy of what we saw yesterday, but the storm coverage gradually increasing. Overall drying out and heating up as we get into the second half of the weekend, and we stay hot, dry, and breezy through most of next week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the forecast, you can always give us a phone call, send us an email, or connect with us on social media. And again, with these showers and storms out there, we always appreciate any reports that you have when you can safely send those in. Have a great day.